airplane na, no? Kung ato ipakita di sa BGP ang airplane. Basta, ingon mami, regards ba? Na mami, Les.
We're happy to have you on board this flight to P998 bound for Manila. In command of the aircraft is Captain Ina Patrimonio and First Officer Aaron Zapata. Our flying time is approximately 1 hour 15 minutes. We shall be cruising to an altitude of 28,000 feet. May we request all passengers to kindly attention to our cabin crew will now demonstrate the safety pictures of this aircraft. Each seat secured with a belt to fasten, push ends together to tighten. Pull the loosen of the strap to adjust and loosen the buckle and pull to unfasten and the buckle
Bye-bye na.
Life vests are located under your seats before those the life vest make sure to wash out objects.
Bye-bye, Kuya.
Bye, Kuya.
Hi, Daddy. Hi,
Daddy.
welcome home, Daddy.
Pull the identification cords downwards. Calculate air pressure in the mouth. Blow to increase air push between wires.